Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to overlap blocks on Squarespace. This is a fantastic technique for creating layered, visually appealing designs where you can stack text over images or position elements in creative ways that really make your site stand out. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you directly to your Squarespace dashboard where all your websites are listed. Now that you're on the dashboard, simply click on the website where you want to overlap blocks. This will open up that specific site's management area. You might need to wait a moment for the page to fully load, especially if you have a lot of content or customizations on your site. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu with various options. Click on Website, then click the Edit button. This takes you into the visual editor where you can directly manipulate your page layout and design elements in real time. For this example, we're going to overlap a text block onto an image block. This is a common design choice that allows you to add captions, headlines, or calls to action directly over visuals, creating a more integrated and professional look. Here's where the magic happens. Simply drag the text block over to the image block. You'll notice that as you position it, the blocks will start to overlap. However, you might see that the image is sitting on the back, meaning the text appears behind the image instead of on top of it. This is where layering controls come in. To fix this, click on the Move Forward icon. This adjusts the layer order, bringing your text block to the front so it sits visibly on top of the image. You can also use the Move Backward option if you need to adjust other elements. This simple drag and layer technique is what gives you full control over how blocks interact with each other on your page. That's really all there is to it. By dragging blocks and then moving them forward or backward, you can create overlapping designs that add depth and visual interest to your Squarespace site. Once you're done positioning everything exactly how you want it, click Save. This ensures all your changes are locked in and will be visible to anyone visiting your site. You've now successfully overlapped blocks on Squarespace, giving your site a more dynamic and polished appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.